everybody, this is a quick video to explain better the Orlando meetup. Thank you very much to Jay for giving me the feedback. It was very helpful. This is the security rotunda when you come from the parking garages or the authorized drop-off or bus over this way. From here, you'll walk or take the moving sidewalk this way towards City Walk and go towards the Coke bottle. I will show you that in better detail in a moment, but this is the path. Sounds like the Blues Brothers are on the loose again. I'm open to suggestions because this is a learning process for me. We could meet in the future at Bubba Gump's or up here by the Cinemark, which will require you to go up these escalators and up here. Just trying to make it as easy as possible for everybody. There's also a bunch of food options. But for right now, for this meetup, just keep going this way. As you continue forward, you'll find we call it the Coke icon for some reason. It's just a giant Coke bottle with the video screen, which doesn't help, which shows music videos. Sorry if it was a little lacking in the description. And the seating is over here, again, by the Harry Potter kiosk, by the splash pad, behind the giant Coke bottle if you're coming from parking. If you're coming from a resort hotel, the Hard Rock Portofino comes from that direction. All the other hotels come from that direction. So hopefully this clears things up and makes it a little more easy to understand. I didn't realize that the Coca-Cola refresh store or kiosk here wasn't on the map. Sorry about that. Thanks for watching this very brief video all the way through. Please comment below if you have any other suggestions, and please exit to the gift shop.